Suno can turn one sentence into a complete song. You can try it for free, but can you safely use that free song in a monetized YouTube video? Let's make one and check the rule that matters. Welcome to Easy AI Lab. Suno is an AI music tool. You describe the music you want, and it can create lyrics, singing, instruments, and artwork. You do not need to sing or know music production. For this tutorial, we will follow one simple workflow from prompt to finished result. The free plan currently gives you 50 credits that renew every day. Suno says that is enough to make about 10 songs. You can listen to your songs, keep them on your Suno page, or share a Suno link. Let's start with simple mode. I will use this prompt, an uplifting synth pop song about learning one new AI tool every day, bright male vocal energetic chorus, modern electronic production. This prompt gives Suno four useful signals: the style, the topic, the voice, and the mood. That is enough for a first attempt. Now I click create. Suno will make two versions. We do not need to watch the whole loading screen, so that waiting time will be cut from the video. Now we have two songs. Before choosing, check the beginning, the chorus, and the ending. Do not decide after hearing only 5 seconds. A strong opening does not guarantee that the rest of the song will work. Simple mode is the fastest option. Custom mode gives you more control. You can add lyrics you have permission to use, choose a style, enter a title, or turn on instrumental for a track without singing. For this example, I will use warm, futuristic lo-fi, gentle electronic drums, soft synth background music for a technology tutorial, no dramatic drops, clean ending. I included background music for a technology tutorial because it tells Suno the job this track should perform. After the prompt is ready, I turn on instrumental and create two more versions. Suno gives us two more options. For tutorial background music, I want a steady beat and enough space for narration. A track can sound good by itself and still be too loud or too busy under a voice. Test it with your narration before choosing. Open the three-dot menu on one of your songs to find the download and sharing options. Downloading a file does not change its license. Now let's answer the main question. Suno says songs made on the free plan are for personal non-commercial use and cannot be monetized. Suno says songs created while a pro or premier subscription is active receive commercial use rights. There is one more detail. Subscribing later does not normally give retroactive commercial rights to songs you already made on the free plan. The free plan is still useful for learning. You can make a personal song for fun, test a music idea, or practice prompts to discover which styles and words produce better results. Suno is easy to use, but every result will not be perfect. Lyrics may sound strange, a voice can change, and several attempts may be needed before one version fits. Also, only upload or enter material that you have the right to use. Do not copy copyrighted lyrics or upload someone else's music. AI does not remove those rights. If this tutorial helped, subscribe to Easy AI Lab for more simple and practical AI tools.